Hi, my name is John Cooper. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Norfolk, Virginia, which is the town that I was born in. I wanted to talk to you today about DUIs and personal injury cases, particularly in light of Greg Underwood, the chief prosecutor for the city of Norfolk, getting caught with a possible DUI charge and then refusing to do the blood tests to evade the police being able to give him a conviction for that crime. What ended up happening, as you may have read in the paper, is this chief prosecutor, the head Commonwealth attorney for the city of Norfolk, gets pulled over for bad driving. The cops smell the odor of alcohol on him, and they say, okay, we need to give you these sobriety tests like everybody else. But he refuses. And that's a separate crime in its own right. Refusal to take the blood test is almost an admission that you're going to flunk the blood test. And so it's really a terrible thing for justice and the city of Norfolk that this fella chose to do that. He needs to resign, but that's a separate issue. What I want to talk to you about is the idea of refusal. I don't do criminal law, I only do personal injury law. But in the field of personal injury law, if a guy refuses to take the blood test, that is the same exact thing as if he had blown a .15 alcohol level. So that in a case like that, you would be entitled to punitive damages if a driver causes a wreck and causes you an injury, whether he takes the blood test and has a high level or he refuses. Either way, that gives rise to potential punitive damages. So I wanted to make a video and explain that really a refusal is nothing more than an admission in my mind, hey, I know I'm so drunk that I can't possibly pass the test, and therefore I'm just going to make it hard on the cops to convict me. And that's wrong, and it's especially wrong for a chief prosecutor, but it does happen. In fact, right now I'm representing a case where a police officer was the drunk who harmed my client, caused very serious back injuries, and he refused. And what it is the prosecutors and the police know that by refusing, they hinder the prosecution because there is no physical blood evidence. And so it's really, in my mind, an abuse of power, and it's a sort of thing where if it happens and it causes you injury, please know that I will fight because I like to sue drunk drivers to help you, my client.